Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch S. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. Unpairing could be useful if you want to pair your watch with a different device. Maybe you want to sell it, you want to sell your watch, or maybe you want to give it away to somebody. Basically anything that will require you to disconnect it from your phone and your account. So let's get started. To unpair our watch, we need to open the OHELF application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Tap on Device, and here you should see your OPPO Watch S. Now scroll down, tap on Unpair, and the watch will disappear from the device page. We can close the app now, go to the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone, so tap on Settings, Bluetooth, and here you will see OPPO Watch S2. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device again to forget it. As you can see, the watch also reset itself to the factory default settings, and once it's done, you will see the list of languages or the welcome page on the screen. It should be quite soon. Like this. And that's about all. That's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.